Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have another hair review for you guys, and it's from the hair company Curlkalon. I think I'm pronouncing it right, I'm not sure, but Curlkalon Hair sent me this wig and I'm gonna be giving you guys a review. So I'm gonna start off this video with the unboxing, trying on this wig, styling this wig for you guys in several different hairstyles to show you guys how versatile this wig is, and then I'm gonna end it off with my final review on this wig. So stay tuned for this entire video, guys. Let's go. Okay, hi everyone, so I'm gonna start off the unboxing. So this is the box that the hair came in from Curlkalon. Ignore my dog barking for me, please. And I'm already liking how this box looks. I really like this box. That's one thing I'll say. This box is nice. That's all that came in the box apart from their card. So this is their headband wig. It's a blowout kinky straight texture. It's in 20 inches and it is 180% density. So I'm just gonna throw it on for you guys. We get two combs on the side. We have one center comb and we get one comb at the back, and that's the construction, and this is the texture of the wig. I really like this. This matches my natural hair texture when it's combed out. And this is how the 20 inches is on me. The hair is a little below my boobs for 20 inches, which is a nice length. Alright, so I'd say it is about waist length for me. I don't know if I'll be able to get this to look like that. And now let's start with the first hairstyle. Okay. This is the second hairstyle. Two ponytails. So if you want, this could be a hairstyle. You could even make this into like a bun as well. So this could be a next style too. You could do it all in the back too. And you could make this into a bun as well. Now we could actually do a suit with this here. So I think I'm gonna do that. Right, so this is a headband that I already own. So this is another hairstyle that you could do. Of course, now you could make it into a high pony. So this is another hairstyle you could do. I think this might be my favorite hairstyle. It just looks laid back, but I mean, like, if you're on the go, you just do this hairstyle and you're out the door. We could do a half up, half down. Nice side part. But overall, for my final review, like I said, with the details of the hair, it's a 20-inch kinky straight blowout texture. It's in 180% density. It's a headband wig. It comes with 2 combs here, 1 comb about here and a next comb at the back. The shipping didn't take long. Let me go into the pros. This hair is soft. Like I'm so surprised for a kinky straight texture how soft the hair is. I haven't experienced any tangling. My hands run right through it, which is like a big plus for me. So yeah, that is my first pro. I didn't pick up on a smell from this wig. I'd say it is beginner friendly. Like, I could just put this on like you see and just be out the house. This will be my go-to wig, I can tell y'all, because before I used to be wearing like a body wave headband wig as my go-to wig, like to leave the house. But now, and I stopped wearing that because my mom always be like, Joanna, why you always wearing wigs on your head? But this wig looks like my natural hair, because it does match. It actually does match the texture of my natural hair pretty well. So I feel like if you wanted to do, like, it depends on the texture of your hair. If you want to do a leave out, I was thinking about doing that too. I'd like pull out some leave out on my hair and style the wig and people think it's my hair, you know what I'm saying? So this wig, I would say it's beginner friendly. It's 100% beginner friendly. You don't have to do much to this wig at all. I haven't experienced any shedding from this wig. Now let's get into the cons. So my first and my only con with this wig is it doesn't really lay as completely flat in this area. When you saw that I had it down, I don't know if I use a hot comb on it, it would lay flat, but I wanted to keep more like kinky kind of straight texture, so I didn't really use the hot comb. But overall, I love this wig. I love it. This wig, it will be my go-to wig. I'm telling you guys 100%. When I'm gonna go to work, I'm just gonna put it on. I could do hairstyles like this and looking like I look cute, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I need to fix it a little bit more, but yeah, I would say I 100% recommend this wig. Although it is a little bit on the pricey side, I would put the price in the description box with a link to the wig so you guys could see the price, but I'm pretty sure it's a little on the pricey side though. But I'd say this hair is quality. I really think this hair is quality. I would recommend this hair company to you guys. So yeah. Okay, so I want to end this video by saying thank you Curlkalon for sending me this wig. I really enjoyed this hair review. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on notifications for my YouTube channel, guys. It's really appreciated. And I mean, don't you guys want to see the tea I have for you? Everything, hair, anything, products. I'm trying to branch out. I'm going to be doing a lot more for you guys. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Toodles.